got cut off there. So, part two. Um, I think I've got about 3 minutes before it cuts out. I'm not very tech able, so I'll try and fill this in within 3 minutes. Um, yeah, so toning or humming, um, it helps to switch the nervous system into the parasympathetic um, state. Helps with vagal tone. So the vagal nerve, the vagus nerve, travels down the whole of around the whole of the nervous system, and so it helps to um, tone it to tone it. Toning equals a toned vagus nerve, um, and we have again. It always comes back to the three brain centers, if you like, of the gut, the heart, and the above the neck, the throat, in this case. And when toning with the om sound, the r is in the navel, and there are like 72,000 nerve endings or nadi points all around the navel. And the heart, if we're toning the o, the o, you can feel it resonating in your heart, and the ah is in your gut, and then the you can really feel it in your throat. And so it's kind of like a key. It's opening your body up. And then I had a teacher who said that sound opens portals of stored information in the field around us. And I kind of view it that basically vibration and sound are those things that that move, that resonate particles, the subatomic level. Like it's tuning it's tuning into the very core fabric of existence. And so when we sit in nature and we sit with plants and we start to tone, there's something very powerful that happens, and you can very quickly tune into the plant or into the landscape or whatever element of the land it is, but also you resonant match very quickly, and information and levels can open up, and very profound things, realizations, and who knows what. Careful, you might find yourself in another time and dimension. Um, so yeah, I'm probably going to do part 3. Yes, I am. So see you there.